Adhering to the philosophy of safety and peace of mind, the all-new ES features an advanced human-centric design. For example, the Lexus Safety System Plus reduces accidents caused by driver perception and judgment errors in a wider range of scenarios. The collision safety system complies with global standards. The high-resolution adaptive high-beam control system fully considers the safety of both the vehicle and surrounding traffic. Hidden response buttons enhance the safety of technological interactions by facilitating intuitive operation. Even the driving view and driving posture aim to accurately identify the driver in various scenarios and improve operational efficiency. The new generation ES appears committed to the ultimate long-term value of peace of mind and safety. To date, Lexus has more than 2.1 million users in China. Looking at its 20 years in China, it's clear that its growth curve is not a sudden surge, but a long-term, stable, and rising trend. This reflects Lexus's strategic focus on long-term development and its perseverance in developing its products, establishing its service system, building trust over time, and consistently winning customers. The new generation ES was developed with the needs of Chinese consumers in mind. By disrupting the classics and redefining luxury, it opens up a wider audience's imagination and opens a new chapter in Lexus's 20th year in China. With its radically revised exterior design, the all-new ES adopts Lexus's all-new design language, drawing inspiration from the next-generation all-electric concept car, the LFZC, creating a new generation spindle-shaped body. It maintains Lexus's signature elegance and design elements while simultaneously offering an avant-garde aesthetic that transcends mainstream aesthetics. While such bold changes may have sparked controversy, looking back at the previous generation ES design, from initial skepticism to widespread recognition as one of the most striking and successful examples, there is reason to believe Lexus has grasped the automotive aesthetic of forward thinking. As the saying goes, there's no construction without destruction, and judging innovative automotive design based on past and present aesthetics is inherently short-sighted. The availability of multiple powertrain options fully demonstrates Lexus's extensive electrification capabilities. The all-new ES300h, equipped with a hybrid powertrain, continues to be a key consumer choice, offering efficiency, smoothness, stability, and reliability. The all-new ES350e and ES500e all-electric models feature larger batteries. The ES500e also features Direct 4, an intelligent all-wheel drive system that intelligently adjusts torque distribution between the front and rear wheels, delivering a more powerful and balanced driving experience. The next generation ES will further enhance its ride quality through the precise pairing of technologies such as adaptive variable suspension and dynamic rear-wheel steering. The launch of the all-new ES is a clear reflection of Lexus' inherent spirit of innovation, its forward-thinking electrification strategy, and its focus on the Chinese market. This marks a significant step in the Lexus brand's development timeline. The Endorphin cabin focuses on sensory experience, adhering to the concept of time is luxury, and is imbued with the feeling of an Oriental ritual. Therefore, the quality of travel is no longer defined by the overlapping configurations, but rather by the emotional healing effect of time. The interior has been meticulously designed, stripped of unnecessary ornamentation, to create a simple, elegant, serene, and comfortable cabin. Optimized with the all-new GAK platform, the cabin is more spacious with a wider field of view, a quieter cabin, and a smoother driving experience. Dual screens reimagine Lexus cockpit interaction logic, while fully equipped seats offer a more flexible and comfortable driving experience. The door trim's innovative translucent panelwork with bamboo layers offers rich light and shadow effects. The fragrance system also adds a light and refreshing natural bamboo scent. The sensory concierge function, combined with the Mark Levinson surround sound system and hidden response buttons, creates an immersive space that coordinates visual, auditory, tactile, and olfactory multi-dimensional perception. This cockpit's exquisite attention to detail, the wisdom and creativity of technology, and the profound thought of humanity transform craftsmanship and advanced technology from a paradox of time into a fusion of healing power and ritualistic living aesthetics, making the new generation ES a truly distinctive asset in terms of experience and style.